Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 11/15. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and denominator. Let's start by finding all the factors of 11. To find the factors, we'll list all numbers that divide evenly into 11. 1 is always a factor, since every number is divisible by 1, and 11 itself is also a factor. Since 11 is a prime number, these are its only factors. Now let's find all the factors of 15. Again, we'll list all numbers that divide evenly into 15. 1 is a factor. 3 is a factor because 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is a factor because 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 15 itself is a factor. Now that we have all the factors, let's find the greatest common factor, or GCF. Looking at our lists, we can see that 1 is the only number that appears in both lists. Therefore, 1 is the greatest common factor of 11 and 15. When the greatest common factor is 1, that means the fraction is already in its simplest form. This is because 1 is the only number we could divide both the numerator and denominator by, and dividing by 1 doesn't change the value. Therefore, 11/15 is already in its simplest form. Let's review what we did. First, we found the factors of 11, which were 1 and 11. Then we found the factors of 15, which were 1, 3, 5, and 15. Next, we identified that 1 was the greatest common factor. And finally, since the greatest common factor was 1, we concluded that 11/15 was already in